Hello class, this is Ray Drexel. I'm going to cover information security training program for campus, Medaille College campus, as part of this week's module for the class. So part of the learning environment, including the campus community for how the training is going to go forward. So security awareness for digital immigrants, believing that most of the campus may reside mostly in a digital immigrants type of mindset or experience with technology. So part of with that in mind, using multimedia, graphics, flowcharts, video, and text-based content combined with simulation and badges to get information across to the campus community. So uh, as I mentioned with the videos, graphics, and text, because learners may, from the digital immigrants status, may relate more to a video or maybe more to text. So providing all three form factors of providing information will help them get the information and then provide the testing for that learning through simulation with the adult learners to get real world experience in recognizing spam emails, other type of security threats that could be posed to a information technology system, and then build a community using badges so that they can feel accomplishment with success in the training, and then being able to help each other when they develop their skills to help their coworkers complete the tasks as well. I'm actually going to jump out of this presentation and we're going to go into the tool that's actually going to do this. We've licensed KnowBe4 as a training portal system. So it's a learning management system that I, as a trainer, will be able to select different types of trainings that have different different time lengths as we develop our campus program to be able to give them training, to give them different assessments based on how our campus receives that information. We'll be able to track that in a dashboard to track their progress and be able to assist them in their learning. So training and phishing here, these dashboards allow us to build different scenarios in which the system will use automation to provide a training, provide a phishing attempt as a simulation, and if the user is successful, then they receive a badge and they won't receive anything until the next quarter. If the user fails the training, they go into a secondary group and then they would receive additional training and then receive another phishing attempt to test them a second time. So as we work through this for the first time, we will figure out the best content that's going to aid the users in success. Hopefully this is close to the assignment's directions, and I look forward to hearing other classmates' content as well.